Welcome to the 32 Days of Disney Family YouTube channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, like and share this video, and hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Orange Bird Cafe at the Higgins residence. We're gonna make one of our favorite treats, the Citrus Swirl. We took some orange juice, froze it in an ice cube tray, put it through the food processor so it's a little bit slushy-like. And now, step one, we're gonna take a scoop of ice cream, put it in the bottom of our glass. So I'm gonna pass this around and everybody's gonna make their own here. Ready? Here you go, put a scoop in the bottom.
Oh, I'll put my own.
You're gonna put your own spoon?
Yeah.
Excellent. Can I help you?
No, I can do it.
You can do it yourself.
I want to see that.
So the next step, we're gonna put a couple of scoops of orange slush in.
Okay, that's a lot, buddy.
Layering it.
No. Like this.
And then we're gonna add a second scoop. I'm just gonna do
yellow.
this. We're gonna add a second scoop.
Second one.
Top it with more orange slush.
I'm gonna do it my own one again.
I'm gonna pass this around. There we go. Put as much orange slushy as you would like in there.
I'm just gonna want one scoop of ice dressing.
Just for good measure, we're gonna add one more scoop of ice cream to the top.
You want help with this, buddy?
Here we go. And then, a little bit on my fingers. We're gonna open the orange soda and pour it in. Oh, look at that. It's mixing. It's foaming. The orange slushy is melting in. Oh, look at how yummy that looks.
Mommy?
We have a spoon to eat up the ice cream with. Of course, we have Mickey spoons. And then a straw.
Maybe take a sip before you put that all the way in.
Delicious.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like and share the video with all your friends, as well as make sure to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our awesome videos. Follow along on Facebook at 32 Days of Disney Family or on Twitter at 32 Days of Disney. And those of you looking for your own magical vacation, check out Canadian Mouse Trips, our partner travel agency. They can help everybody, not just Canadians, all our friends in the US and the UK too. Have a magical day.